Hi everyone, my name is Magnus. I'm going to show you how you can build single-page web apps using JQueryMobile and KnockoutJS upon the xsockets.net WebSocket server. The application I'm about to show is a simple auction that enables users to sell and place bids on different things. Just pull down the browser here and then on Windows, and let us see here, you will see in the background the development server of XSockets, the latest version, and in this case I will be showing you the first page in the application, which is a menu of simple menu that enables us to list some auctions. In this case it's 4 different auctions. You can also fire up a new client, in this case that will see the same stuff. You will see in the right side or left side here the socket server showing some information of the incoming and connections, etc. In this case, I will open up the Xbox and will place a bid on 1,500 crowns, and I will hit place bid. You can see there's an incoming message here, and the price on the right side is updated to 1,500. The same user can place a new bid, 9,000 crowns, and it updates to the left. We can also show you how you are enabled to create new auctions. This is the new auction view. Let us open up this view. We have those 4 prepared auctions. I will sell a Saab, and it's an old and golden one. This costs 6,000 Swedish crowns, and I will hit save, and you will see that the server receives a message. It's also broadcasted to the other clients listening to the WebSocket handler. In this case, I can place a bid upon this object. Place bid. Let us now go back to the list of auctions and fire up yet another window to illustrate the third client accessing the same application, and he creates a new auction called Volvo, and it's no description available, and it's 8,000 Swedish crowns. And it's saved, and you will see the same object broadcasted to each and every client listening to the WebSocket. What you see here is a simple single-page web app built using JQueryMobile, a very good framework for building OneWebs and mobile web applications, and I'm using the KnockoutJS framework to build the whole thing on the XSockets web server. I will show you a little bit of what we have. This is the web page. We have a couple of divs in this case that will represent each and every single view. We have the home view, where we have the menu as shown earlier, and we have the list of auctions. In this case, you can see this URL is bind to a array within the auction model. And you can also see that I'm hooking up some data binding here. For example, the description is shown in the paragraph tag. We also have an event handler with a click event that calls a method called show and passes the object in. This is pretty much the thing. We also have the detail view where we can display the auction objects, and we also have a input element that enables us to place the bid, and we also have an action called place bid, which we will define within our knockout model. Here's the model. This is the auction model. We have the auctions, which is an observable array. We have a couple of methods. An example, new auction, add, find, which is not implemented, as well as the result. We have the place bid method, which will trigger a WebSocket event called update price. This is just a string. You can call it whatever you want, because the WebSocket that we are using, in this case it's running on localhost, and it points out a WebSocket handler core handler generic, which is a generic handler just receiving and sending data. It could be a more sophisticated one in a real-time scenario. We have some event bound to the XSocket or the WebSocket. It's an open and close event. When we have a connection, I will trigger the load auctions event, which I'm also listening to. In this case, we will not receive any data because there is no backend. So I am just adding those 4 different objects to the model, giving us the opportunity to have some data to play with. I also have a method called here. As you noticed, we were able to create different auctions. This was made by this method. When we received this event was triggered, I have an object called auction, which has a couple of properties that is observables. I have a generated ID, and I will broadcast the object to a WebSocket or to an event called auction created. And when it's done, I will change the page to a transition. In this case, we are listening to auction created. We can find it down here. When we will receive a message from the socket server, we will just add the auction to the model and refresh the list view. When a user hits the place bid button within the VPN view, we will trigger an update price event, and we will just send the bid. Bid is an object that we are observing within the model. And when it's done, I will go to the latest view. And users listening to the same socket, they will receive an event called update price. In this case, I'm just searching for an attribute called auction ID, plus the auction, the actual auction, and set the price of the auction to the incoming new bid. This is pretty much the thing. This is written in a short time, and we will also add a couple new things later on. Maybe in episode 2 we will add a backend using Ulf's code and templates, etc. Thank you very much for listening. I will put the source code for this app on my blog as soon as possible, and I will also put it on JSBin so you can play with it in an easy way. Thank you very much and have a nice weekend. Goodbye.